In this video, I'm going to show you how to find measures of central tendency, but instead of raw data, we'll be given a frequency table. So the starting point is the table, and for convenience, I already have cumulative frequency column added to the table. So let's find the easiest one, which is the mode. There could be multiple modes. Mode, by definition, is an observation with the highest frequency. So to find the mode, we look at the frequencies and we find the highest one. So 6 is the highest frequency. An observation with the highest frequency is the mode. If there were multiple observations with frequency 6, then we will have multiple modes. If all frequencies were the same, meaning there is no maximum frequency, then we will say there are no modes. So mode is easy. Let's find the mean. To find the mean, we're going to do it by using what's technically the same formula as for computing the mean when raw data is given, but it looks slightly different. So frequency 1 of 0 means we have only 1 0 to add. Frequency 2 of 1 means we have 2 1s to add. Having frequency 4 means we have 4 2s. 4 2s, 1 3, 3 4s, 4s, 6 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have 3 6s. So 1, 2, and 3. And all of that will be divided by the total number of observations, which is 20. This is one way to understand the formula. However, when it comes to actually using the formula, we're not going to be doing addition, because there's only 1 0, 2 1s, 4 2s, 1 3, 3 4s, 6 5s, and 3 6s. And we're going to dividing it all by 20. So in the formula it says take the observation and multiply it by its frequency. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. And hopefully now you understand why that formula makes sense. So what we have is 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 12 plus 30 plus 18, all divided by 20. And we have 10, 13, 25, 55, 65, 73. So we have 73 divided by 20. 73 divided by 20 is, what is it? 3.65? Something like this. And finally, let's find the median. Median is the middle observation. Here we have the total number of observations is 20. So median will be, again, 20 observations can be viewed as 10 on the bottom, 10 on top, right? And the median will be therefore the average of these two, the 10th and 11th observations. Now, how do I determine the 10th observation? This is where the cumulative frequency column comes in. So if 8 observations are less than or equal to 3, and 11 observations are less than or equal to 4, that means 9th, 10th, and 11th observations are all 4s. That's what it means. That's the meaning of the cumulative frequency. So that means my 10th observation is 4, my 11th observation is 4, and the average of 4 and 4 is 4. So that's how we find the median using cumulative frequencies. Now let's answer the question to get the graded. So mod is 5, mean is 3.65, and median is 4. And we got everything right. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to try another question just like this, look for the link in the description of this video.